Thanks for joining us. Our topic today is the AGF lawsuit against former members of its emerging markets team and the U.S. company that hired them. With me is Rudy Luukko, editor at morningstar.ca, and he has been following the story very closely. So Rudy, where does the lawsuit stand now?
Right now, Star manager Patricia Perez-Coutts and 4 of her former colleagues, they're working for Dallas-based Westwood, which hired them, and they're working at the new Toronto affiliate of that firm. AGF has filed a statement of claim in court alleging millions of dollars in damages, including $10 million in punitive damages alone, and it's claiming that it was a victim of an illegal lift-out.
Okay, so first things first, I don't know what this means, and I'm sure some viewers don't. What's a lift-out?
A lift-out is when not just one portfolio manager is hired, but the entire team. And it's a way for the firm doing the hiring to build instant investment expertise in that area and attract new business.
And is this legal?
It's something that creates something of a legal minefield. And there is no law against someone looking for a better job. But in this case, AGF is alleging that there was a conflict of interest, a breach of fiduciary duty, and that essentially Patricia Perez-Coutts had a duty to be a whistleblower when she learned that Westwood was after the whole team and not just herself.
So what was Perez-Coutts and Westwood's reaction?
Well, there's no denying that it was a lift-out, and they admit that, but they also say that the job offers were made individually to team members, and individual money managers have a right to make career moves.
So here at Morningstar, we know that managers come and go. You obviously know that quite well with your fund watch. So what's the big deal with AGF?
The big deal is that there's big money involved. This was a team that managed more than $2 billion in retail assets, including an emerging markets fund that was a 6-time winner at the Morningstar Canadian Investment Awards. I'm told by one industry source that there was billions of dollars in institutional assets also managed by this team. I've heard a figure of $4 billion. So more than 10% of AGF's business. So a huge blow to them, and this is going to already resulting in redemptions and loss of potential future business.
So how can fund companies protect themselves from lift-outs?
Well, we're seeing that lawsuit is one course of action. It remains to be seen how effective that's going to be. In my view, a far more effective way is to try to ensure that the terms of employment and performance incentives are in place so the employees want to stay there.
Thanks so much, Rudy. That was a lot of great information. To find out more on the AGF Westwood lawsuit, follow Rudy's Fund Watch on morningstar.ca.